Welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Queen White from Alice in Wonderland in Dress and Dress. Alright, first of all, you can choose this here and then you're going to color it with this color and then you're going to combine it with this here, make it the same color, and you're going to choose only bangs. And then you're going to put on this tiara from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another crown from the cards item. And you're going to color it like this for the base, and then for the diamonds apply this color. And then you're going to put on this necklace, this is from the cards item, and color it like this. And then you're going to put on this heels, this is also from the VIP room, and color it white. But if you don't have VIP, again you can replace it with another heel, the free heels. Okay, and then you're going to put on this corset and you're going to make it white for the first selection. For the second selection, make it this color. This is for the color code. And for the third selection and fourth selection as well. And then put on the sleeves. This is from the Madoka set. And you're going to make it like this. Alright, and then you're going to... oops, sorry, I forgot to mention this here. You can combine it with this here as well. And then you're going to apply the same color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room, guys, and from the dressing room I'm going to go to the world culture update and I'm going to choose this dress. We can choose skirt only and then just leave it like that for the first selection. For the second selection, you're going to make it white and then make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to combine it with the skirt and then we're going to make it glitter and make it white. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this menu and put on this skirt. We're going to remove the layer and then you're going to apply glitter. Alright, and then I'm going to select this top. We're going to remove everything except the gem, and then I'm going to color it with this color for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, and then you're going to make it glitter. Make it glitter. Okay, sorry for my glitter, sometimes it's not working. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this item and then I'm going to color it with this white color for the first selection. For the second selection, make it white, and for the third selection, you're going to make it this color. For the fourth selection, I'm going to make it white. You can go to this menu and then we're going to put on this corset, and then for the first selection, I'm going to make it white. For the second selection, make it white and white again. And for the lace, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then for the corset closure, and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, done. And this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video, guys.